Welcome to our Gokhale CET 2025 step-by-step guide to form fill up. In this video, we will walk you through the extensive application process which requires around 15 to 20 minutes to complete, provided you have all the prerequisites ready. To get started, pause the video, gather all the necessary documents and information which we have listed on the screen. Additionally, you will need your ABC credentials. Worry not if you're not registered, we have provided a link in the description box below. Also, along with that, the application link for the Gokhale CET 2025 has also been provided in the description box. Once you have everything ready, let's begin with the form filling process. Don't worry, you can save your progress and come back later if needed. So, let's get started and complete the form fill up process smoothly. Ready? Let's begin. Click on the application link, and once you click on it, this is something that you can see on your screen. Okay, and if you've not registered, please register first, and if you're already registered, you can sign in here. So since I'm going to do it for the first time, I am going to register myself. Enter your name, your email ID, and your phone number. Okay, and then click on send OTP to receive an OTP. So generally you receive in either of the mediums, your mail or your mobile. And just in case you don't receive it on your mobile, make sure to check your mail. Enter the OTP, enter the captcha. Okay. So after you click on register, you are taken to a page where you first need to upload your photo and signature. So please make sure that you do. So you have to click on this blue line, uploading a photo and signature. Only after you've uploaded it will you be taken to the application form. So please make sure it's ready. So once your photo and your signature is uploaded, that is when you can start registration process. So since I have to fill it up for the MSc program, I'm going to click on the first option. And there you get general guidelines. I highly recommend that you read it once before filling it up. And you also have to check this box. Click on save and next. Save and next is very important so that by any chance, if you're not able to complete the form fill up, you can come back to this. So click on save and next. Once done, please choose your program. And then you have to choose all the programs. Just don't forget to mention its preference. Okay. In whatever preference you want them to. But you have to select all the programs, all the 7 programs. Once that is done, click on save and next to move on to the next section. And now you have to fill in your personal detail. So you have to choose your application under whether you're an Indian, NRI, international, SARCG, whatever it is. Okay. Then you have to choose your name as per your 10th mark sheet. Okay. Then you have to enter your mother's name. You have to choose your gender, your date of birth. Just verify your mobile number, email address. If you have any other alternate contact number or email ID, you can enter that as well. Then you have to enter your vaccination status, which is for COVID. So I'm fully vaccinated, so I'm going to choose the same. Then you have to enter your ABC ID, about which we mentioned in the beginning. So please make sure that you have it ready. Then choose your nationality. For me, it's Indian. Then your domicile, which means your state. Then you have to choose whether you're a person with disability or not, whether you're a person from minority community or not. Choose what is, relevant to you. Then you have to add your address. your country, then your state, again, then your tehsil, then your district, then your current city, your zip code, pin code, whatever you call it. And then you have to choose whether this permanent address of yours is same as current address or not. For me, it's true. So I'm going to choose yes. If not, choose no and fill in the details of your permanent address. Now that it is done, just verify once and then click on save and next. And then I will be taken to the next page where I have to enter my parent details. So you can enter all the three details or any one details. So I'm just going to fill in this. I don't want to enter the mobile number, so I can just click on save and next and it is going to accept. Then you have to choose the admission category, which category you belong to. So open means general. So I'm from open category. Then you have to enter your educational details where you have to enter your class 10 marks, 12th marks, and your graduation details. And you will have to fill it in all. So board name, language, the passing year, the passing month, what was the marking scheme, where's a percentage or CGPA. For me, it was percentage. The marks that I obtained out of which means the total marks, and it will automatically calculate your percentage. Then click on add new details to enter your 12th details. Again, board, medium means language, year of passing, passing month, marking scheme again. Add new details for your graduation details. Do not worry, even if you have not passed, still you will have to enter the details and choose that results have not been declared for you yet. So enter your university, okay? And if you've chosen other university, you will have to manually write your university name. Medium of instruction is again language, and whether the result has been declared or not. So for me, it has been declared, so I'm clicking on yes. If not, you can simply click on no, not to worry. Click on save and next once it is done. Now you're taken to the next category where you have to enter the entrance detail. So it is only for Gokhale admin and not for the applicant, so we don't have to worry about it. Click on save and next. Now you have to upload your document. The specimens had been given in the beginning of the video. So I'm going to upload all the 3 mark sheets. And then once that is done, click on next. Then you have to click on this checkbox, click on save and next again. And now you can review the form, all the details. If you want to change anything, you can click on previous. Since I don't want to, I'm going to click on next. And then I have to choose online payment. I can see my application fee, click on submit. And then it is asking me whether I am, satisfied with all the details that I've entered, because I will not be getting a chance to modify. So please make sure that you're absolutely clear and 100% confident of all the details you have entered before you click on OK here. And once that is done, you will again be taken to the review sheet, review, make changes if required, click on next, and now you will be taken to the payment page where you have to make the payment. And with this, we are done with the entire process. I know this is a fairly new system introduced by Gokhale this year, and I am sure that this video will help you clear your all your doubts, which most of our students were facing, and you will be able to fill in the form smoothly. And for rest of the issues, do not worry. We are going to help you, because that is what EduSure does, helping student in every way possible. Okay. And I know this is a very new thing. And don't you worry, we are again going to help you in every step of the way. So hoping to see you all in classes soon. Do not forget to follow us, because we'll keep uploading videos regarding this. not just the application thing, but all the things new in MA and MSc economics, especially Gokhale. So thank you so much. See you all soon. Bye bye.